Alam mo ba, may cancer na pwede mong iwasan. Pero marami pa rin ang nagkakaroon. At ang mas nakakagulat, may paraan para mahuli ito bago pa maging cancer. So bakit may namamatay pa rin?
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.
Hi everyone, I'm Doc Fred Ting, your medical oncologist, and welcome to Everything About Cancer, kung saan tinatanggal natin ang takot sa pamamagitan ng tamang kaalaman. So let me explain this in very simple terms. Cervical cancer, kadalasang sanhi ng HPV o Human Papilloma Virus, at ito ay naipapasa through intimate contact. Pero ito ang mahalaga. Hindi agad nagiging cancer. Dumadaan muna ito sa stage ng abnormal cells bago maging full-blown cancer. At dito pumapasok ang screening. Pap smear, tinitingnan kung may abnormal cells. HPV test, chine-check kung may virus na pwedeng magdulot ng cancer. Meaning, nahuhuli natin ang problema before it becomes cancer. So, sino dapat ang magpa-screen? Women starting age 21 years old, at dapat ito ay regular intervals, depende sa recommendation ng inyong doktor. Kahit wala kang nararamdaman, kahit feeling mo okay ka, kailangan pa rin. Because cervical cancer, madalas walang sintomas sa umpisa. Maraming natatakot sa pap smear. Dok, nakakahiya. Masakit ba? So let's be honest. May konting discomfort, pero mabilis lang. Ilang minuto lang. At ang kapalit, pwede nitong maiwasan ang cancer. Mas dapat tayong matakot sa hindi pagpapascreen. Sa clinic, nakita ko na ang epekto ng screening. May mga pasyente na na-detect early at naagapan agad. Pero may iba, hindi nagpa-check, hindi na-screen, at doon naging mas challenging ang treatment journey. And that's something we can prevent. So here's the truth. Cervical cancer is one of the most preventable cancers, but only if you take action. So do not wait and do not be afraid. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears, because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Thank you for watching Everything About Cancer with me, Doc Fred Ting. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread accurate and reliable information about cancer to more people. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears, because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Again, I'm Doc Fred Ting, and see you in the next episode of Everything About Cancer.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.